So today I'm going to teach you what arcs are in geometry. They basically indicate an angle. So you can see here we have one arc and we have another arc right here. So these angles are equivalent. So we could say, for instance, that they are 30 degrees. Now, when you have double arcs, that means that that angle is a different size than the others. So we could say this one is probably like 120 and this is 120. So if you have double arcs, those double arcs are going to mean that they're the same. Essentially, the same number of arcs indicate that they are the same angle. So if you have one arc and you see two of them on each side, they're going to be the same. And if you have two arcs, then you're going to know that it's going to be the same measure. Sometimes you may have three arcs, depending on how many angles you have in a particular shape. Just know that those arcs indicate that they are the same size, depending on the number of arcs. So if this was clear and helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and comment.